So let's start with the definition of AI. What is AI? Artificial intelligence or AI is a simulation of a human intelligence processes by machines. It's a field of computer science that focuses on creating systems capable of performing tasks that would typically require a human intelligence. These tasks include reasoning, learning from data, problem solving, understanding the natural language, and perceiving the environment through sensors like cameras or microphones. A key concept here that AI involves creating machines that not only execute a predefined instructions, but also it can adapt and make decisions based on the data they process, much like humans do. AI is simply described as the ability of machine to perform tasks that require a human intelligence. These tasks include decision making, learning from past experience, and understanding the natural language, and even perceiving the environment around them. Essentially, AI isn't just about following a fixed rules, but about learning and improving over time. For example, when you interact with a virtual assistant like Siri or Google Assistant, it does just not follow a simple set of commands. It understands your voice, process the information, and adapt its responses based on your history and needs. Let's talk now about the core components of AI. AI is built on four core capabilities that together enables machine to behave intelligently. First one, which is learning. Learning is the ability of AI to improve based on the data it processes, much like how we learn from experience. For instance, AI systems trained on email data that can learn to distinguish between spam emails and from important ones. Second one is reasoning, which allows AI to apply logical rules to solve problems, make predictions, or draw conclusions based on the available information and data. For example, AI in a self-driving car uses reasoning to navigate the streets and obey the traffic rules. The third component, which is the perception, which allows AI to understand and interpret the world through sensory inputs like images, sounds, and texts. Computer vision and speech recognition are examples of this ability. Problem solving, which enable the AI to find solutions to complex challenges by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable tasks and determining the best way to tackle them. What are the real world applications of AI? AI is deeply integrated into many aspects of our daily lives. For example, smart assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa uses AI to process your voice, understand comments, and perform tasks, making it easier to interact with technology. In healthcare field, AI helps doctors by analyzing medical images, diagnosing diseases early, and even suggesting personalized treatments. For example, AI-powered tools like IBM Watson have assisted doctors in diagnosing cancer more accurately. In autonomous vehicles and transportation field, AI relies on process information from cameras, sensors, and GPS to drive safely and make real-time decisions, such as when to stop at a traffic light or to avoid obstacles. In e-commerce field and recommendation systems are used like by companies like Netflix, Amazon, Spotify, and where AI suggests product, movies, or music based on your past preferences and behaviors. Let's talk about an important topic, which is the machine learning. Machine learning is a key technology that powers AI. It allows machine to learn from data and improve over time. Instead of programmers writing specific rules for each task, machine learning systems adapt and improve their performance based on experience. There are different types of machine learning. These are the main types of machine learning. We'll start by supervised learning. Supervised learning involves training AI with labeled data. For example, teaching a model to identify the pictures of cats and dogs by showing it many labeled examples. Next type, which is the unsupervised learning, which allows AI to find patterns in data without predefined labels. This is used for tasks like clustering similar items together and recommendations. Reinforcement learning is a technique where AI learns by interacting with its environment and getting feedback. Like game playing, AI gets rewarded for winning, getting punishment for losing. The next type that we are going to discuss about, which is the deep learning. Deep learning is more advanced form of machine learning. It uses the neural networks, which are algorithms designed to recognize patterns similar to how the human's brain processes the information. Deep learning excels at complex tasks like image and speech recognition. For example, when you upload a photo to Facebook, the AI uses deep learning to recognize your face and automatically tag you. Similarly, voice assistants use deep learning to convert speech into text to understand what you are saying. So, what is the business impact of AI? AI has a massive impact on different businesses. For example, in automation, which allow business to streamline the operation by automating and routine tasks. For instance, AI-driven chatbots can handle customer inquiries and reduce the need for human support. Data-driven insights that helps businesses and companies to make smarter decisions by analyzing large datasets to identify the patterns and predict future trends in more efficient and quicker ways. Personalization, which improves the customer experience by delivering tailored recommendation based on past behaviors, as seen with Netflix and Amazon. AI also drives the operational efficiency by optimizing logistics and predicting maintenance needs and improving supply chain management. What is the future of AI? Looking ahead, the future of AI is incredibly promising. The opportunities involve that AI is expected to change and revolutionize the industries such as healthcare, where it can enable personalized treatments, and education, where it can provide personalized learning experience. However, there are significant challenges and ethical concerns like AI bias, data privacy issues, and potential of job displacements. It's crucial that we approach AI development carefully to ensure that it benefits society as a whole. In conclusion, AI is a powerful tool with a huge potential, but we must ensure that we develop and deploy it responsibly. This is the end of this session. Thank you for your attention. As we have seen today, AI is transforming how we interact with technology and reshaping the different industries. AI is making our life easier and more efficient. I'm happy to take any questions that you might have. Let's talk now about the types of AI. AI is often classified in three main types: narrow AI, and general AI, and superintelligence AI. Narrow AI is the most common form we encounter today. It's designed to perform a specific tasks. such as playing chess, recommending products, or recognizing speech. For instance, Google search engine uses narrow AI to provide results based on your search queries. General AI is still a concept and refers to AI that can perform any tasks that humans can. It would be capable of reasoning and learning and making decisions across a wide range of tasks, just like a human. Superintelligence AI that surpass the human intelligence in all of the aspects, including creativity, problem solving, and decision making. This goes beyond the general intelligence, since it would surpass the human capabilities in every aspect, cognitive and emotional and social. While this is still as science fiction, researchers are exploring how to prevent and control such AI system. Let's talk now about how AI works. AI works by collecting a huge amount of data, processing it with an advanced algorithms, and using it to create models that help machine make decisions. First step here, which is the data collection. It's the first step where AI systems gather information from different sources like sensor, images, text, web sources, and different data sources. Next step, which is the modeling, involves applying mathematical models and algorithms to analyze this data and identify the patterns. During the training, AI adjusts its models using large data sets, learning from examples and patterns so it can make better decisions. For instance, a self-driving car is trained on data from millions of miles driven to recognize the road signs, pedestrians, and other vehicles. Finally, deployment part, which happens when the AI applies what it has learned from to perform a real-world tasks like predicting trends or recognizing objects and images.